Today we're replacing the Laerdal IV arm skin. Part number, you're gonna need some super glue, you're gonna need a hair dryer, and of course the trainer. Once you peel the skin off, you can just cut it which way you want to get it off, and then remove the veins. Now we're going to use super glue to put some dots along the channel here and there to make sure that the veins stay in place while we're applying the skin. Now that we've got the IV veins in place with the glue, we're going to use the hair dryer to heat up the area around the wrist before we slide it on. You can either use Laerdal Airway Loop or Dawn dish soap to apply to the arm core and the inside of the skin to help slide it on easier. But the part that's going to make it the easiest is heating up the wrist area to slide it on. All right, now that we got the IV arm skin heated up really well with the hair dryer, and we got our lube in place, we're gonna slide the skin onto the arm. Hopefully I got it in camera here. It's hard for me to see and do both. I'm just gonna fight this thing. Make sure you have the fingers in place as you're sliding it up. There we go. IV arm skin in place. Again, the key is heating up this as much as you can with the hair dryer.